Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of all devices on Netflix using an iPhone. First, open the Netflix app on your phone and make sure you are signed in to the main account, also called the account owner. Now tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of your screen or bottom of your screen. Tap on the three dots, then tap on account and scroll down until you see security and privacy or a setting. Look for the option that says sign out of all devices and tap it. Netflix will ask you to confirm. Tap sign out to continue. That's it. Netflix will now no longer your account out of every device including TV, phone, tablets and computer. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.